Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Well, this is part 2 of my Livingston Peak video. There is a part 1. I will upload these together, so, please watch my other video and know I'm not trying to drum up business. But it's the only way that this one will make sense. I'm not going to turn this camera around because I got my shotgun mic on here now, my Rode shotgun mic with a wind muff because the wind come up. But I was dissatisfied with the scenery I did on the first video. I wanted to do this right here. That's Paradise Valley, Montana. And like I was saying in the other video, you can't get this kind of look here from car. You got to pack in here. Zoom up on that there. This is up in the Absaroka mountain range. The wind has kicked up a little bit here. So, yeah, this is just I'll go on down this trail here. This is just a second part to the first video I shot. Hopefully I can come down here and get you right underneath the Livingston Peak. Why is that important to me? Because I busted my ass to get in here to record this, so why not? I really should be on top of that peak, but hey, don't have enough time. By the way, it's a 4-mile hike from the trailhead. 4 miles to get up to the top of that bugger right there. Right there. 9,400 feet. And I'm in elevation right here at about 6,200. I'm not going to climb her today. I got some other business in town that I must deal with. And so, but yeah. This trail I'm on right here is not the Livingston Peak Trail. This goes down to a place called Lost Creek and Seuss Creek. So, yeah, these trees are kind of blocking this really nice vista here. We walk back up this way here, up the trail. That is Paradise Valley down there. It's too bad. Matter of fact, if you look really, really close, right in the middle of your screen, that's the Yellowstone River, if you can see her. If I can keep from shaking, which, when you're breathing hard, it's kind of hard to do, but yeah. We scoot along here. Yeah, I just thought I'd do an amendment or a part 2 to my Livingston Peak video. I want to make sure I record this, man. That mountain there's got a name, but I keep forgetting. Sorry, the old sun's right in my face, but it's the way it is in this country. It's the way. Can't get away from it unless you come up here later in the evening or real early in the morning, but none of that stuff's too advisable, especially real late at night. However, I'm not that far from my vehicle, so yeah. Thank God it's mostly downhill to my pickup. Like I was saying earlier, I'm kind of of course I'm 67 years old too, Can't expect me to go running up and down these mountains. Not as hard life as I've had. Okay. I'll give you that panoramic view right there. You'll never see this anywhere else, ladies and gentlemen. Well, maybe on other channels, but not from drive-up cars. Yeah. Let me go down the hill here. Go past this fire pit or whatever this thing is here. Okay. Livingston Peak once again. We pan right across here in the zoom feature. Okay. I think I've got my point across for this country here. I hope so. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching this video. Take care of yourselves. We shall see you on down the trail. And adios, my friends.